and the rate of snow, I think that's what really has impressed me, is the fact that you're talking about 3 to 4 centimeters per hour. So it's going to accumulate very fast, hard to get rid of it. And with those strong winds, I mean, you could be shoveling it 2 or 3 times before it begins to settle down. But hey, it's a quick hitter. It will be, as they say, later tonight. It will be.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
And welcome back to the vlog.
And welcome back to the vlog. Today is Monday.
So as you saw, we are experiencing
a
very terrible blizzard. This is obviously a blizzard.
This is obviously a blizzard. It's obvious.
Shut up, no man, boy. Yeah, me did I go, you know, put on something on my head, chin my clothes up. But me can't bother because this is what today will be like. As you hear, Zaire's home. Hi, hello. Hey, you go, sit down. Yeah, so this morning we actually did plan for Zaire got daycare, and when I look at the door like me say, they really can't drive on because nobody's cleaning the road as yet. Nobody not shovel the road, clear the road as yet. When you live in a community, your roads are cleared last. Them try to clear the main road them and the highway them first. So me look and say, if we would have literally try drive, I would not drive on no road. I just know we would have drive on. So I call daycare and them say because of this they'll be closing at 4. So me say, even make no sense. Still me people. But me know some people now can, you know, stay home. Some people have to go work, so them I go drop off them kids. But yeah. Low key me can't wait for playing in the snow. If I'm being honest, like whenever there's fresh snow, the sled go down the hill easier. So but yeah, that's it. May I work? Orlando, I look at Jose. Hi.
What's going on?
You want to say hi?
No.
We're not sit down now. And all the cushion them depend on the girl.
Be careful, be careful.
So yeah, that's just a thing for the day. Yeah, right?
Yo, you're fooling that. Why did you wanna laugh?
Yes.
Why did you wanna laugh?
I'm having cream cheese on a jalapeno cheddar bagel. We buy our bagels in bulk at Costco. Yeah, it didn't last that long, but it lasts. Orlando, I hear that's in my cream cheese.
Yeah.
Come, Daddy. Come, Daddy.
No, I'm not running with you. I'm supposed to work.
Daddy.
I'm not running with you. I'm supposed to work. Good morning.
Daddy.
Morning, everybody.
Daddy.
Fast, what? Move your back.
Anyway, guys, meal check I put in the throat today, but make it just done eat and. Come, socks time. So guys, we're going outside, and because we're not planning to just go outside, look and then come back, we have on multiple layers of clothing. Right now I have on about 3 pants and 2 top. Well, I have on this and then one long sleeve underneath this. Zaire have on about 3 top, but I go double up him socks them so him toe them won't freeze. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, because outside might not be as cold as we think, but it might be colder than we also think. Come.
Yes.
You ready to go put on shoes? Are you bringing leapfrog in the snow?
Yes.
Orange handle?
Go.
So I'm very layered right now. Alright, bye. How much is that clothing, yeah, man?
Yeah?
And that's how you stand up. You want to see your hand them?
Oh.
Your hand them a hang off like muscle man.
No, just
How much top you have on?
just something to show them the yellow under this.
And you just put on one over? How much pants you have on?
No problem, checkers under this.
Damn. Oh, for protect your thighs. Okay. Guys, you would have think, you know. So we're both for cross one tundra or something. But I could say it I'll go because the sun gone. Sun is definitely gone. I go put on my socks, don't get dressed, put on my jacket, and when we're outside, we'll circle back.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Guys, are you guys seeing the snow? Bomba!
I'm working sync.
Oh my god. This is so much. Good job.
Sit.
Is that your two Evita? So, it must take the sled. Oh wow. Huh? Just go up on the road. Guys, watch it. Step, sink. Step, sink. Sink. Oh my god. Them two here make the way. Hold on. Let me fix him something again. I run water. Hi, baby. Are you cold?
No.
No.
Yes.
You're cold?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to go inside?
Yes.
Yes? You want to go back home?
No, goodbye, mommy.
You want to watch TV?
Do you want TV?
TV?
Yes.
Turn back.
I don't know.
Yes, Daddy.
Should I go or should we go back?
You want to go home?
Yes.
You want to go home or you want to go forward?
Bye, Daddy.
Right?
Let's go this way?
This way or
Do you want to go this way?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. You want to walk? You want to walk?
Walk, Daddy.
You don't want to walk? You want Daddy to walk? Okay. Okay. Guys, back up on a road roof. Exactly my turnover. Oh! So this is the thing with the community roads. When you live in a community, your road don't get cleared on, I think we said this earlier, yeah. If you live in a community, your road get cleared last, while if you live on the main road, like this is a lot of snow. It might not look like it on camera, but it's a lot of snow. Guys, this is the hill in front of the apartment. But what am I saying, buy a house? We can go to the park, look, you know. Not you pulling him, but make him trudge through.
Your turn to walk.
Come on, let's go to the playground.
Go to the playground. Let's walk.
Yeah, come on.
You gotta walk. Up.
Stuck. Come on. Are you okay? Uh-oh. There's a car coming. Let's go back over here. Uh-oh. Is that you know, will it, man? Huh? Come on, Zai, let's go. Let's go to the park.
Yeah.
Do I have to fall?
No.
What do I do?
I hope I don't fall.
No! What am I back exposed?
Well, start Angel.
Okay.
Go Rachel. Go Rachel. Go Rachel. Go Rachel. Why you snow you just look like a snow angle? Well, this way.
Your snow angel look like a snow angel.
Do I need to push it wider?
No, it's good.
Okay. We gotta get them. Yeah, go, Zai. Do it.
Snow angel.
Make a snow angel. Lie down. Lie down, Zai.
Snow angel.
No, stop, mommy.
Okay, I'll stop. I'm just wondering when Orlando go pick me up.
You can? Say this. Let's go. You got money?
Yes.
Give me some. No, give me some money, but you mean you have money, but you're not giving me the money.
Zai, don't walk in, my angel. Orlando, I need help. Guys, this snow angel is not snow angeling. I don't even know where I was. Alright, I can't see it little.
Man, knock up his body. Come out, come out.
Snow I fall, snow I fall.
Body, let out your son. I wonder if you know the daycare I keep tomorrow. And work. Hey.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, so we're heading out. I'm gonna make it soon to see the road, just to see what kind of shit show is going on out here. The sun is a little bright. So guys, a lot of persons were asking me yesterday if on days like that on days like that, if you would actually go to work and the kids would go to school. On a normal basis, that would become a snow day. Nobody would move, but because of COVID, what do you call it? Because of COVID, everybody basically have to still work hard and still go to school. But today, because the government did actually say everybody, well, the kids would go back to in-person learning, them actually for go school today. Yeah, so them get a snow day today. If the kids, if their parents are taking them to school, that's okay. But if them are rely upon the school bus, them just can't take a snow day because the school bus them not run said way. So yeah, I just did want to say that because Wolper people did ask.
I'm gonna make sure I call my boss and tell him to the work bus now working.
Well, I go back home, go work now. Because we just drop off Zaire, as you guys saw. But yeah, it's a cold day, and that's the thing. When it snows, me just did that when snow fall. When it snows, it's not as cold, it's mild. But you see, when the sun come out, I don't know all the science, you know, but when the sun come out, today I like literally negative wallop. And my shirt colder than that. So yeah, guys, this is the benefit of parking in a garage. Granted, the vehicle dirty, but you know, like there's no snow. We never have to clean up the snow. You know, like this, she probably park outside, so she have to.
She go look for her man. It's snowstorm and she go look for her man. Me no see who go have garage parking and park a road.
No man, she never park outside on purpose. She probably the summer man. A snow catcher. So guys, almost we can walk now and salt and everything. You know something still look greener this morning too. Like somebody did a try. Hi. freedom. Huh? Comparison to last night, it's clear. This is what happens when you get more snow than you did bargain for. If you realize that I clean off the top of the garage, like they hardly have to do that. But happy Wednesday, guys. How are you guys doing? I didn't take up the camera yesterday, or did I? But it's been kind of busy in these streets, hasn't it been? It's been kind of busy in these streets, right? You want to say hi? Hi. We're working, we're having meetings, all sort of stuff. So the work day is just, yeah. So me probably checking within a later time. I just did want to show you that for sure, sir. It's that much snow where people have it, I know people can't unclean, and quite a few accidents have happened. And you did have one idiot girl. We're gonna drive on the river. Insert clip here.
A driver was seen speeding across the frozen Rideau River in Manatik, then forced to stand on top of her car after it broke through the ice.
We just, and then our car end up sink. And that's why she idiot girl now, because she goes stunt drive on the river and then our car go sink. Them charge her with reckless driving anyway, so. Anyways, may I go back to work, yeah? Happy Friday, guys, and today is Zaire's birthday. There he is. Happy birthday, Zaire. He's just like a stare. Yeah, so yeah, fire truck, good job. So I'm still not eating them something, so we're not really getting my cake. Orlando did I say, you know, we could have just get one cake for the 2 hour because my birthday is exactly 2 weeks away. Yeah. So yeah, next 2 weeks Friday is gonna be my birthday. So we'll get a cake then, and then the 12 we'll do that. But then I buy one shirt. Made one showing that yesterday, but like time it was just a quick decision. I would just jump and go. Plus we dip on the phone and chat business too. So
a lot of business.
Mega just go Party City again, you know, same like last year. Get one number 4 balloon this time with some other color balloons. I was thinking to get him what you call it, a piñata, but I can probably get that for him on the day when we're planning to do the party. But we're on cam going at daycare, so I'll be back. I'm said pants.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hands to the pocket, hands to the pocket. Come on. Be careful.
Come, let's go. Guys, it's so sunny this morning. So sunny. Come on.
Good morning, Zaire.
Zai, come on.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Oh, yes, come on. What are you trying to do?
Oh, 36.5 and he's good.
Wow.
Have a good day. Have a good day. The quote confused me. The quote confused my feet. Oh,
Fix it, Ja.
What's the temperature?
The car is saying minus 24, so you know
Yeah,
it's
me not
like
talk about
about 10 over that.
Damn. You know, so them actually give you an extreme cold warning.
Mm-hmm. They're on phone screen all the time. I need to buff up on some pants.
Hey, you go. Allow not tell me. Fix this. Them said negative 27 feel like negative 27. This definitely feel like there's a difference in between the two. My finger. Are you good every time I come out for something?
What?
I can't say like that. Consuela alone wear them something there, you know. What do you call them? Gafas del Sol.
Sunglasses.
Should do someone in that parking spot. They do something, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, as I said, because brother man not eat, we just have to go to Party City and buy the number for balloon. Where am I gonna enjoy the most? Like literally to them sitting and I say, was that your eat? Well, we could have making a cake form for at least, you know? And I just beer biscuits that come to mind. Like there's nothing to get creative with.
Some cinema crackers.
So well, I go just as I say, Party City thing, get some balloon. I make him kick him balloon tonight. So.
I need to sort out that sheet of black ice there.
Which part?
Because it pushed the front
Oh,
of the
black
car.
ice. Oh. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys later.
Big up in the summer.
Probably when I go to Party City. Hopefully, we get to turn on the camera.
Big up in the summer.
And not like when I went to Children's Place.
Big up in the summer.
I'm gonna get him one of these in the next 2 weeks because I'm sure I'm gonna have fun with this. And we have to put banana chips in it because I'm not eat sweetie.
Those ones are the size of that gold one there, $30. The size to the right of it though, like the tie-dye, is $13. So just do one bag for him because they don't get tangled.
So somebody's now in the birthday mood, guys. Oh yeah, I forget to that road today. Oh, we're gonna get him one of them party hat there at Dollarama and we'll reach at Dollarama because my mate is. Guys, what am I saying the Dollarama for? Hot and blow. Balloon with pump. What is balloon banner? I'm a key party, you know. What them call him? The lay them? What them call him again? Let me. Yeah, party lay. Yeah, man. Or where I go, which far? Yeah, man, I Walmart.
Okay.
We just can't get the cake at the front, right?
Okay.
Him get the hat. It's similar to the one who had the same thing we buy last year.
Yeah.
The blow them somewhere in there, guys. My friend, you know me think of the door pop a while ago. I'm like, what the hell? Okay. So I think this would make the most sense. I don't like how them look though. Them look like them are mash up. February. I think that's cake. The whole of them just look like they must separate. The carrot looks great. What else? chocolate brownie cake. This is actually cute. This is also cute. I just don't think this birthday cake is worth it. Like, well, alright, that one didn't look too separating, but it's just not giving what it should give. It has the balloon though, you know, so it would make sense. It's $10. How much is this one? You see, it's either between this one or the balloon one. And I think I'm going to take the balloon one. This one looks yummy, but the balloon one would appeal more to Zaire, I think. I'm just gonna take the balloon one. Kind of jacked up, but I let the balloon then connect to back side. If you stress me out. That one is separate. The balloon connect, but no, I've got alright. But let's go take it and satisfy. Here, party. Guys, I'm saying that when I go to school in a birthday shirt and him come in a totally different outfit. Wow. It's about to be a mess in here. Hello. Yeah, guys, see the blue them here. What them call them? Squawkers. Okay. And in French, it's cornet de fête. Cornetas para fiesta. Yeah, but you have to wait. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zaire. Happy birthday to you. Zaire, be a mouth water. Almost. Come again. No, blow. No, look. Go like this. Look. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Oh, Jesus.
Let go your teeth now, brother. Let go your teeth now.
Come. Zaire. Of course, him blow out the candle them all the while when I light it. So I don't know what is now.
Him just blow it out. Him just blow it out before she turn on the camera.
Maniva love. Dear Diary.
Dear Diary, no?
It's my child's 4th birthday.
It's a carrot.
And I'm just now blow the candle. And a carrot cake, a regular vanilla cake. Walmart things. Zai, come, blow the candle. Babes, come.
A red scarf.
Get it together now. Blow the candle.
No, please together.
Ready?
Steady.
Blow.
1, 2, 3. Blow, blow, blow. 1, 2, 3. Blow. No, no, no. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I get where you're not supposed to get it up.
May I light it back though? Oh, the candle.
Emoted. Yeah, no.
What is it? It's a beer spit.
You go right just how I just tell about.
What go back? The spit?
Yeah.
You go right on it.
You go, you see?
No?
We need to cut up like this, gang. scrape off the top of them.
No, sir.